Hey guys, coming to you live from Latica Body Essentials warehouse. We are going to show you how to put together your inline bath bomb display so that it looks like this. So first it's going to arrive looking like this, which is kind of a spaceship looking shape. The first step is there's all these little holes right here that need to be just poked through them, and you want to get all those little pieces out. There's 3 on the long side and then 2 on the short sides. So I'm getting all of these out. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 1, 2. Cool. Next step is you want to take the sides and just fold it in, push it into those little slots there, those 2 slots. Okay. So, and you want to kind of check the back, make sure that it pokes through there. So that's poking through, right? There you go. And then the next step is this front here, it interlocks. So it's going to give it that real strength so that it holds the bath bombs and it keeps the display looking sharp for a long time. So lock those 2 pieces, this folds up, and then it's going to push through. See those 2 holes there? You just tuck it in there and you make sure that it's sticking out. So you might need to give it a little extra love. There you go. So it's pushing through there. Good. And then the last step is to take the sides. So open this back piece up, take the sides, fold the sides in, and this goes up and over. And just like the back and the sides, we're going to push it through so it tucks in there. Very satisfying little click. Pushes through. Check the back. Make sure that it's poking through. There, very good. Good. And then you've got your basic box. The next step, these pieces here are what give the display a slant. And this is very cool because it's like a self-replenishing, restocking mechanism. So all of the bath bombs are actually going to roll towards the front. If someone takes one out, it immediately, another one rolls in to take its place. So it keeps them looking fuller longer. So with these, they almost look like an arrow shape here. You're going to fold the sides, and it has the lines there of where to fold. So you just follow those lines, give them a nice, there we go. Same thing with the bottom. And then we do the same thing with this one here. You use 2, and the reason being is it'll support and really hold the weight of the bath bombs with the 2. That's very important. So same thing, and then we just tuck these in like that so it's one over the other, and then we slip it into the display. So there we go. Front end first, push the front down, and then the back just slides right in. Give it a nice little push, make sure it's in there nice and steady. And then I just go around to each of the sides and really make sure that everything is nice and tight in place. And voila, there you go. That is your display. That's what that looks like. So it's got that nice slant. Then, so see, just like this display here has your bath bomb sticker. So the way you do that, this is one of the stickers. So there are little breaks here in the back, so you just fold it very lightly and it comes right off, just like that. And then the best way to apply these is just put these on its back like that. There's a little black line right here. Go to the middle of that line and just boop, evenly place that. Follow that line, makes it really simple. And there you go. That's what that looks like.